Okay, so it's holiday season again, and you're trying to figure out what to get that DIYer on your list, the person that has it all. I'm going to go over my top picks for the year, so keep watching. We'll get right to it. Welcome back to Woodcrafting Place, where we bring you woodworking knowledge. Well, we're going over the top picks for this year, and I've got some great picks. These are items that I've actually used, and any DIYer, depending on their shop, will love these gifts. And they're all price ranges, so we've got you covered. So, number one in the list of 10. This handy little device I picked up this year when I was doing a renovation in my own house. This is a digital tape measure. Little infrared laser shoots out one end, and you can measure it from the back side or the front side. And the great thing about this little tool is when you're taking the measurement, if you need to go 10 feet, you can do this one person. No more fighting with a tape measure, bending or whatever. You simply put this up against one surface, you hit the button, and voila, you get a measurement. I probably can't see that, but it automatically gives you a measurement, and it records the last two measurements that it took, just in case you forgot. This also does things like triangles. It does Pythagorean theorem. It does volume. You take height, width, and length of a room. This will give you the volume. It also give you the square footage of a floor. Really handy for installing floors. So. And the thing about this, by the way, this little item took a beating, constantly dropping this, and it has stood the test, held up nicely. Hey, if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you get notified of all the content that we bring. Okay, number 2 on our list is this Nifty laser level. All right, if your DIYer is going to do any renovations, where they need to level material out, this nifty little item, and you probably can see the green flashing behind me, and as you can hear it beeping, it's because it's self-leveling. It will tell you and keep until it's level, so you can have laser lines going horizontally, vertically, or the whole grid. Nifty device when you're doing a renovation. If you're doing a deck build and you're putting any beams in the ground, those studs need all getting everything to the right level. I use this for ground preparation when I was doing the room that I built this summer. It also comes with a full kit of items like this great little device, a platform that you can adjust for fine adjustments. That way, as you're leveling, putting your level up and down, this is very handy. Okay, next on our list is this handy little MIG welder. There you go. That's right, it's actually a multi-process welder, to be exact. Not just a MIG welder. This nice little tool does MIG, TIG, and arc welding. And that has some great features to it. And obviously I'm not going to hold this up all day, but it has some very simple to use controls. Now I'm going to tell you that if you want to learn all about this item, go right up here to this link that I'm showing you up above, and you'll see my full review of this welder. The nice thing about this welder is it comes ready to go for MIG welding. Right out of the box, you have everything you need. You can plug this in, 110 volt standard current for the house. And of course at the end I'll show you the prices for all these. Depending on your budget, there's something pretty much for everyone. Okay, next. One of the challenges any DIYer is always faced with is having enough light where they want it. Okay, whether it's working under the hood or under the car, or as I do in my shop, working on my lathe behind me, challenged to get light exactly where I want it. And I've done a lot of research. I've bought a lot of lights over the years. And this one really fits the bill. LED, super bright. I'm not going to shine it directly at you, but you can see it's got lots of modes. And it's rechargeable. Okay, next one, because I can't let a list go while having something on the list that's focused on your DIYers' safety, right? Their health, well-being, is a respirator. Well, I've purchased a lot of respirators in my days, and this one ticks all the boxes and solves two problems. It solves the problem of needing safety glasses, and safety glasses and a respirator frequently together cause fogging, right? That's a big challenge for anyone working, like I work on my lathe with a respirator and glasses all the time. They fog up, or with a face shield. It's just tough. Nothing fits together right. And this even has my teenage son's seal of approval. That's right. He decided he was playing war games one day at the local airsoft location, and he wore this all afternoon. Teenage boy can be running around huffing and puffing all afternoon and never fog up the lens. Guess what? This won't fog on you either. Now this is from Parcel, and that's where the link will be from. Super high quality. So while I was doing a renovation this summer, and boy, let me tell you, my knees were crying for help, and I found these. These are, I looked through a lot of items on Amazon and finally settled on these. I'll let you see. There you go. Nice thick Velcro. A lot of adjustability, so they go from a small up to meaty leg size, so they're pretty adjustable, and with the amount of flexibility and stretch in there, you'll be able to wear these knee pads all day long. So your DIYer is going to be on their knees doing flooring work, decking work. This is the kind of thing that they'll use all the time. Okay, the next one is probably my favorite tool of the lot. It's between this and the MIG Welder, and that is my new Milwaukee Driver. 1/4 inch nut driver, all right? Bought as a kit. It makes it the most affordable way to get the battery, the charger, and the driver. Now this is a 2 milliamp battery. This is low end of the amperage for capacity, and it lasted actively using for 3 days. This really did the job, so one of my favorites now. All right, and don't forget, if you like what you see today, and I'm bringing you good information, hit that thumb and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. We're bringing new content all the time. All right, next on our list. Next on our list is this cordless Ryobi Jigsaw. Now the beauty of this, as you can see here, it has a number of options here, so that you can allow the blade to go up and down, go up and circle like this. Especially the pulsating circular motion allows the blade to empty the sawdust out. Now this is cordless, 18 volt, the Ryobi 18 volt batteries. They all fit all the Ryobi 18 volt tools. So if your DIYer has any of the green machines already with that name on them, they have batteries that fit. So you can just buy the cordless tool. If you're only going to have one saw for an infrequent DIY job, just something to have in the closet just for that, once in a while, this is the perfect item. Next on the list called step drills. A little bit nuanced for someone that does metalworking, has a lot of tools. You're not sure what to buy because they seem to have just about everything. Well, this little kit, which obviously the links will be down below, the affiliate links. These little step drills, as you can see here, they're tapered, and each step is a different size. This particular kit comes with 3 different sizes. There you go, trying to drop in my coffee. 3 different sizes, so you can get a full range from, I believe this is from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 7/8 of an inch in steps, so that if you have to drill a hole in anything thin, any sheet metal, what have you. These also have, what you see there, as you look, it's 4 flutes. And lastly, this is made from super hard M35 cobalt steel. All right, we've gone through 9. Here's number 10. Now this is good for more than just a DIYer. This is one of those gifts that anyone will appreciate when they need it, okay? Anyone who drives a car that's been caught with a dead battery knows what a pain it is. If you have jumper cables, you got to find someone else to help you jump your car. If you don't have jumper cables, you got to find someone who has the jumper cables, be willing to help you, or call AAA, and that's a 1 to 2 hour wait for AAA to get there. It comes in this nice nifty little bag, so when you throw it in the trunk of your car, there you go, it's all together. All right, so that's it. You know, I'm skeptical when I bought this. You hook that up to your battery, hook it up to the battery. This will go yellow light, green light. Once you have green light, you're charged. You're ready to go. If you need an extra boost, you push that little button. It zaps your battery a little extra. If you have a very dead large battery, that's ready to go. Now this comes with some nice features like polarity reverse protection. So you don't have to worry about putting this on your battery wrong. It'll warn you, no, sorry, it's on wrong, reverse it, so that way you don't damage the battery or cause any harm to yourself. And it comes up with some other nifty features. Comes with a flashlight and USB chargers. So just in case your cell phone is dead in an emergency, you can charge your cell phone off of it. And if you need an emergency light, there you go. Those in the back of your car, let any police coming by know that you need help. It will make anyone on your list feel safer knowing that they've got one of these in their trunk. So that's number 10. But wait, we can't stop there. Our bonus number 11. So if you have anyone who's got some painting to do, some renovation to do, and they're going to need to take trim off of the wall, or they're a carpenter and they're doing it every day, well, this nifty little device really, makes the job easy. It helps avoid damaging walls. You take this, you tap it down behind the trim. And let's do a better job of showing. There we go. And you just lift up. This face stays against the wall. It doesn't mar it up. And this face just pries up from the wall. So that's it. Hope you got something out of this that's useful. Thanks for joining me today. Again, if you liked this video, make sure you hit the thumb and subscribe. Get notified of all the content that we bring you. I really appreciate you spending your time here today. I know your time is valuable, and I really appreciate you spending it here with us. Hope you have a great holiday, great holiday season. Enjoy yourself, and we will see you again real soon. Cheers.